Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Lashawnterry. If you subscribe if you're not, and click that notification bell so you'll know when I upload. I do have a playlist for you to look through to see what other things we share in common. So have a seat, come on in. I may be a little bit winded, but I do have some products that I got in today, and then I'm going to give you some scent combos that I've been using this week. So the first one is, this smells so good. It was Skin Potions Ambrosia with Nilly Vanilli by Dawkins Arome. And then I sprayed myself down with House of Glory's Tonka Bean Tea Cakes, which they have put back in stock for the spring, summer, and I absolutely love it. And I need to get me some more. That's my favorite scent from House of Glory. It's Tonka Bean Tea Cakes. It comes in an oil and it comes in a body cream as well. And then I used my Bubble Bistro, cut off a piece of my Bubble Bistro Magic soap. The scent I used today was Skin Potions Coconut Milk and Dawkins Arome Milk Bath. I think she's keeping this one. This was her last year, summer, spring, and people loved it so much that she's keeping it in rotation, and I believe she's going to be doing this in the oil, and then she did her pink sugar in a lotion, and I have yet to get it because I keep missing out on it. I also, after I applied my lotion and butter, I sprayed myself down with the Dawkins Milk Bath Perfume Mist. And when I was in the shower, I did a little spa day today. So I, after I washed with my soap, I used the Jo Malone's Vitamin E scrub, which is so nice and so good. I did do a review on this. I used all the butter, the body cream, so I have to get another one of those. And then my lip stuff, my lip Vitamin E lip ointment, I'm almost out of that. So that's this. So once I use this and my lotion is going, my hand cream is going slowly but surely, I will go back to the mall and get and re-up on those. Another product I've been using, I love powders, but I love powders made with better ingredients. So I do use House of Glory's powder. I have it in Tonka Bean Tea Cakes, and I put it up under my boobs. And sometimes I may put it under my arms. But Redmond's, I use their salt. And I'm thinking, I used something else from Redmond's years ago, but at the farm store I go to, they have baby powder. And I really like it. It's all natural, no chemicals, it's talc free, and it's basically bentonite clay powder. So I put that up under my boobs and under, because I do sweat under my boobs. Today I wanted to try this Briotech. It's like multi-purpose use, and I sprayed some under my arms, and then on the back of my legs and my butt cheeks. You can use this for acne, sunburns, to wipe down stuff. They say you can use it it says best results, use it 2 to 3 times a day. And the ingredients is electrolyzed water and sodium chloride. That's it. So it has different uses. So I'm going to see if this really helps with acne. And I could come back and tell y'all later. I ordered this off of Amazon. So what I got in today, my daughter put me on to this company because I didn't know anything about them. It's called, what is she called? Scrubs Body. They sell, their deodorant is called Smarty Pitz. And she swears by this, that this stuff works, because my daughter is one that needed like extra strength deodorant, or else she would start smelling real quick and bad. And so she said this was really good. So I was in the market for another deodorant. Currently, I'm using Dawkins deodorant, and it could get you through the day. I would say that it could get you through the day. But it was another deodorant that I was using. That stuff would last at least 2 days. But then it seemed like after a couple of months of using it, it started irritating my underarms. I don't know, my body is weird like that. It'll work for a while and then it'll be like, we don't like that no more. So I was in the market for another deodorant, and she was telling me about this. And so I went on and ordered. I ordered 3 of them. It was packaged really nice. I showered and stuff. And so I just opened it up, and I decided to, once I relaxed for a minute and cooled down, it just came today. I think I ordered about a week ago. So she has lip stuff here. It says soft, luscious lips. She has body scrubs, lotions, and she's actually from my neck of the woods. She has a retail store in Farmingdale. Y'all know I'm from Hempstead. So she just sends out a brochure with all of the stuff that she sells. So if you live in Long Island, or, you know, maybe the city, Queens, Brooklyn, Bronx, you know, whatever, and you want to, you know, drive out to Farmingdale, to her store to try some things out, go ahead. And so what I like is about, she has this brochure and it tells everything about her products in the description. So this is real nice. I like that. This must be my receipt. And these deodorants were $16 each. It was $8.95 shipping, so it was $56.95 for 3 tubes of her deodorant. So these are the 2 I used today. This one is called Coconut Mango, and it smells good. It smells real good. It smells like a coconut, like sweet mango. And this one is baking soda free. So here's the deal with my armpits. If any deodorant is baking soda heavy, it will break me out in a rash and cause pain. And so that's why y'all see me, you know, I stick with a deodorant for a while because of that issue, if I find that one that works for me. So I bought a baking soda free to see if it will actually last, because, you know, with baking soda, that's what helps keep the odor away, and dryness as well. This is also aluminum free, I think, too. So this is the sensitive formula. So I just bought one, and then the other 2 are with baking soda. So this is baby powder. And then this one is eucalyptus spearmint. So this one and this one is with baking soda. I'm just hoping that it's not baking soda heavy. It's aluminum free deodorant. Is another great step in the I most certainly deserve this journey of treating your body with care and wellness. Yeah. So, let me see how this eucalyptus. Okay, it smells good. So yeah, I like all 3 of them. This really smells like baby powder. No, this one is, yeah. It did smell like baby powder. Now it smells like something else. But, so we're going to see if it worked. Like I said, I put the baking soda free under one arm, and then I put the one with baking soda under another arm. She sent me this for free. It's her lip. It's called Lip Service. I think this is a scrub. Did y'all watch my my new car video? I just did like a walk around. I am gonna do a video just in case that car interests somebody, you know, going over all some of the features and stuff that's in it. Yeah, this is her lip scrub. Smells nice. Y'all know I just use a hand rag that I have that scrubs my lips really good. So she sent it in this little package. So yeah, you got Smarty Pitz. Smarty Pitz. Have y'all ever used or heard of her before? If so, let me know. And I think that's all I have for you. So I just wanted to come unbox that deodorant. If anybody is looking for deodorant, again, I'm just using this. So, and her website is called Scrubs, SCRUBZ, body.com. This is a 2.9 ounce tube right here. So I'm hoping it works because I got 3 of these. And I'll have to give them away if it doesn't and keep looking. But that's all I got for y'all today. So y'all be good. Go watch some of the videos I put out. I put out a my new car. I ordered some more. I did another unboxing of Pink Panther duped by Dapper's Fragrance. I did a road haul with the lip, you know, the lip stuff. Then I went back and picked up a couple of those. I did a negative underwear haul with a try on. So go watch those videos. What y'all waiting for? But until the next video, peace.